back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone and is going to be listening to audio files and typing what you hear, and it doesn't really require very much experience. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read reviews on the company or get those applications in. Of course, I do ask that if you enjoy this job lead, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, when somebody says Virgin, you think of Virgin Mobile from back in the day. The Virgin company actually owns a host of different products and different companies and product lines. They weren't just in the mobile phone business. So Virgin Pulse is one of their companies. They have a 429 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a transcriptionist. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States. But it is a basic transcription job. You're going to listen to audio recordings through headphones and transcribe or type the various information spoken by the customers. This information might include names, home addresses, email addresses, phone numbers, or open responses. You're going to also manually enter customer survey responses into an actual web form. Besides those two things, you'll just create and maintain weekly production logs and status reports. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. Somebody who has the ability to use those Microsoft Office systems, Word, things like that, and type at least 40 words per minute. Now, you have to have great grammar skills and a strong work ethic and be a self-starter. Now, they prefer somebody who is bilingual, but that is not required, and they state so right there. Now, they don't actually list any experiences required. It says audio editing experience or willingness to learn the Adobe Audition or other software program is a plus, but it's not required. So no actual experience is required. But if you do have experience editing audio or using that Adobe Audition software, might get you to the top of the line for an interview. And it does say down here in small print that compensation, of course, is based on location, experience, different things like that, but ranges up to $56,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.